Sabihin ko sa inyo, pag wala itong konstitusyon, putang ina, maghiwalay-hiwalay tayo.
Do not want federalism, fine. But change the constitution that would really change this nation. If it is the kind of government that you expect to work for and die for, well, you might want to change your mind.